So in given organic substances, all the compounds may not be optically active, very few optically active. In that case, given compound is optically active or inactive, how to identify? So we have some conditions or some special characters which is following that characters, then only those can show optically active character. So in that case, first one, compound should be asymmetric in nature. It must be asymmetric in nature. Okay,
Okay, sir.
asymmetric in nature. What is the meaning of asymmetric in nature?
No plane of symmetry.
That should not contain any symmetry,
Yes, sir.
and that compound we call asymmetric carbon or stereogenic center or stereo center. They can use different terms. Or chiral carbon, we can use here
Yes, sir.
chiral carbon, chiral or stereo. This term's important. Okay,
Hmm.
stereo center or stereogenic center. All these are different names. Different names. For example, carbon they have different groups. You can take here H, R1, R2, R3. All are different. So if you cut any direction, you won't get equal things. If you can cut here, no identical groups. Is there R1? These are two, no identical, na? H and R.
Yes, sir.
So this is a chiral. Sorry, chiral molecule. Got it?
Yes, sir.
This carbon is called chiral center. This carbon is called chiral center. I'm writing here H Cl Br F. So you can write here mirror image this one. You don't have symmetry here actually. Fluorine H Cl bromine. These are mirror images each other but non-superimposable.
Sir.
What is a non-superimposable means?
Can't be kept on top of each other.
Yes, non-superimposable. So they won't be. You can't suppose you are keeping one by one. You can't get na.
Yes, sir.
So non-superimposable. These are the basic thing you have to remember. So asymmetric in nature, non-superimposable. If you these 2 points basic
Yes, sir.
required. Next one is and molecule should not contain plane of symmetry, center of symmetry. This is the other point. Plane of symmetry. They make an ask POP also, that is plane of symmetry. Shortcut they are showing, okay? And center of symmetry. I also they are showing this is center of symmetry. Or COF something they can use. Doesn't matter. So what is the plane of symmetry? I'm going to show that one. One example. Try to get. Suppose this is the molecule. I wrote here Cl and Cl. So it have a plane of symmetry. I think so. Wedge dash formula you should be know that one. Both are thick line. Okay. This is trans.
Yes.
Cis. Very good. Correct. If I am able to cut this molecule exactly equal, it have plane of symmetry.
Yes, sir.
That plane of symmetry we are showing with respect to sigma. And next we are trying to show center of symmetry. This is plane of symmetry, POP. If you are able to cut any molecule equally, that's we call plane of symmetry. Can you try this molecule have plane of symmetry or not?
It
Right?
doesn't have no,
Why?
because the group is different and we
Correct.
can't cut it in half.
Even we are able to looking cut, but these are different.
It won't be same. Yes, sir.
Same. That's why no plane of symmetry. Got it? But this
Yes,
is
sir.
cis. If I am taking trans compound, these are clear. You should be clear that one. Later you don't get confusion. Huh? This is Cl. This is trans. What about this is?
So this also doesn't have no.
This also doesn't have plane of symmetry. If you cut this one is upward direction and other one is down. You won't get exactly same mirrors. If you cut means you should be get mirror. Then only plane of symmetry. So no plane of symmetry. No sigma.
Okay, sir.
Got it? And
Yes, sir.
center of symmetry also I'm writing here. I. Center of symmetry are showing with I. Center of symmetry. Suppose I'm drawing here. Simple example I'm taking. You make and show cis and transitions. Same thing I'm drawing here. Well, again, both are same structures. If you are passing one imaginary line, one corner to other side, opposite direction. So this is the hydrogen. I'm passing one place to other again opposite. If you are getting same groups, opposite also, when you are extending all the direction in the compound, that they are looking same, that touches same groups opposite when we are passing one imaginary axis, one direction to other one, opposite direction. If they are touching same groups, those you make and say center of symmetry it have.
Okay, sir.
So it is defined as a point from which lines when drawn on one side and produced to an equal distance on the other side will meet identical points in the molecule. Those have plane of symmetry. I think it have plane of symmetry only, no?
Yes, sir.
Now, actually, this is anyway a chiral molecule. We are trying with another molecule.